Hi guys, Wagwan. Welcome to Risha Simone's Recipe Tweaks. It's great having you here. This week's recipe, I will be using a variety of sausages to make these two incredible recipes. They are simple, healthy, and can be substituted for a vegetarian meal. Without further ado, let's get the ball a rolling. Guys, the aroma in the kitchen is incredibly delicious. As a Jamaican, we love using herbs and spices in our cooking, so you'll notice that in all my videos. Personally, I enjoy eating out and it does serve its purpose, but I would rather eat at home. And these meals are pretty simple. And as I said earlier, they can be substituted for vegetarian meals. All you have to do is remove the sausages, and there you have it. I would rather eat at home for two reasons. One, I can always find something healthy and quick to prepare. And two, there are no guarantees I'm getting what I order at a restaurant. You know what I mean? So, if you are a busy mom, if you are a hard working person and you need something healthy and quick to prepare, you can think about these two meals. Very easy. 5 minutes tops, and you have your food. Alright, this second meal does not need any hesitation. Once the sausages are cooked to your liking and you stir in those herbs and veggies, voila, everything is finished. So it's very easy. So guys, I would love to know which of these recipes are your favorite. So please share your views in the comments down below. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It was great having you here this week. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'd be notified when I post new videos. And as we say, ciao, bye, walk good, peace.